It's actually looking good now. Here, walkway, ceiling, lighting on the ceiling is
there's new,
installed and
wall lighting.
yeah, very nice.
These are the panels for the kitchen units.
The dirty kitchen is looking good. This wall feature that divides the dirty kitchen to the front porch. The floor tiles are done. They've installed the tiles on the countertop.
It's cool. Ceiling is also done.
This looks really good now.
Oh, the flooring.
This looks really nice.
It is. It just matches the ceiling, isn't it? It's just perfect combination, color combination. Do you like it?
Yep. So at this end, we also have the steps that have been decked out.
It's great.
Nice and strong. It's not very often we've had to come round this way because it's always been full of spare parts and rubbish and God knows what else.
But it is looking great.
So there's a bit of Lanai roofing, cladding still to be done on the underside, and these big orange pipes have got to be sorted out because they're a bit ugly at the moment. Bit of finishing works there on the columns, support the cantilever. The panelling is starting to go in. Let's check out the master bedroom. And again, we have more cladding in here that's been finished. Basically, we've got like 4 different types, and we have the new bedside lamps in place. We chose these lamp fittings because they have the USB and USB-C fittings as well.
Look, our first door installed.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
First door installation, nice and smooth. Looks to be well hung. also have a door to the bathroom.
Amazing. Have they completed the master bathroom yet?
No.
Okay.
No, there's not much.
Well, there's tiles, obviously, there. Right.
This will be the new pantry door. It's a bifold. It's the water filter system that's going in. Give us nice clean water to drink. Yeah, spotlights are in, and we already have light fittings there ready to go in for above the kitchen island and here above the dining table.
So, kitchen cabinets, the bottom part is okay, but we are going to change the hanging cabinets because we didn't really like the color of it.
The pantry's back to being a storeroom again. Now that the tiles are all down. And then we have the door frame has gone in now, ready for the toilet downstairs.
The staircase is looking good. I love the walnut paint color on the top of the handrails. And they've also installed the stairway window and screens. I love it. It's beautiful. The office and lounge area looks so spacious. They've completed the installation of the windows and sliding doors as well, which is good. The mosquito screen is in place.
So the firewall's finished. It's all rendered now, getting ready for painting. Electrical's in, and we have the new feature wall here. Some nice stonework. As well as having this face of the balcony clad, the outside of the balcony facade will also be clad with blockwork. So bedroom 2 is the one that's almost complete, really.
You get the TV unit here. TV will be hanging anyway, but it's good. Windows and screens are installed.
Final adjustments for the wardrobe need to be done. It's not quite aligned properly at the moment. There's a few snagging points there.
The bedside table as well needs to be changed to this size.
So they've done a fair bit of work, but tiling steel still needs to be finished, but we have the toilet, the fixtures around the bathtub are in place now, ready for it to be installed. The shower is in place. But same as with the bathroom, master bathroom downstairs, and the toilet area still needs to be finished off and all the grouting completed.
Are the light switch working? They're all working.
The big item to be installed in this bathroom will be a brand new bathtub. We can't wait now for what the next few weeks will bring and all the finishing works to complete our dream home. See you again soon.